think that's Mr. Khan himself. Right, Chelsea Truck Company, Khan Motors, doing bits. Now they have a bit of a go anywhere reputation, but the lift on this is unbelievable. Look at the ground clearance. How far away I actually have to stand to get the whole of this car in. Clearance is unbelievable on this thing. Nice riveting all the way down. Makes it just look that little bit wider than your standard Defender. I mean, think this is a Defender 90. Unfortunately, guys, one of one, like much of Chelsea Truck. But wow, pretty special.
I'm not sure the camera's going to do this justice.
Front shocks. Now, they had one of these last year. They had a 6-wheeler called the Flying Huntsman, and they seem to have actually made it into something you can buy. It's kind of got the traditional styling of kind of the really old Defenders, but it looks really good. Flying Huntsman Homage 2. God, that looks good. I actually got a picture of this last year when it was a 6-wheeled version. Presumably, I don't know if they're just making one of this as well, but I feel this would sell if they mass produced it. It looks insane. Clean cut interior. I'm going to be able to give you a scale. No, I've got quite big hands. That's a joke.